When we formulated our liposomal glutathione, I wanted to go beyond just adding glutathione into a supplement. Glutathione is often called the body's master antioxidant because it protects every cell from oxidative stress and plays a major role in detoxification, immune defense, and cellular repair. But glutathione works best when the entire antioxidant system around it is supported. That's why in our formula, we combine liposomal glutathione with PQQ and riboflavin. PQQ helps support mitochondrial health, which is where cellular energy is produced, and riboflavin plays a critical role in recycling glutathione so your body can reuse it again and again and again. So instead of just delivering glutathione, we're supporting the whole system that makes glutathione effective. And of course, we use liposomal delivery, which protects the molecule and dramatically improves absorption. For me, that's the difference between simply taking a supplement and actually supporting your cells at a deeper level. I recommend taking 1 packet daily, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when the body tends to absorb nutrients most efficiently. You can take it directly from the packet or mix it with a small amount of water. The most important thing is consistency. Oxidative stress is something we experience every single day, from environmental toxins, exercise, stress, and even normal metabolism. By supporting glutathione levels daily, you're helping your body stay ahead of the oxidative load. I think of glutathione as one of the most foundational nutrients for long-term cellular health. Most people start noticing changes within 1 to 2 weeks. The most common things people report are improved energy levels, clearer skin, and better recovery after physical stress or workouts. That's because when oxidative stress decreases and mitochondrial function improves, your cells simply operate more efficiently. Your body doesn't have to work as hard to repair damage or to manage toxins. So the overall feeling people described is increased resilience, better energy, smoother recovery, and a sense that their body is functioning more optimally. Glutathione is one of the body's most important antioxidant molecules. It neutralizes free radicals, supports detoxification pathways in the liver, and protects the mitochondria where the cellular energy is produced. PQQ supports mitochondrial health and may even help stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, which means the creation of new mitochondria. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, helps regenerate glutathione after it's been used, allowing your body to recycle it efficiently. So what we're doing here is supporting antioxidant defense, detoxification, and mitochondrial energy production all at once. Some of the most common things people notice are improved skin clarity, more stable energy, and faster recovery from physical or environmental stress. You may also notice that your body simply feels more resilient. When your antioxidant systems are functioning well, your cells are being protected from everyday stressors. Over time, this type of support contributes to healthier cellular function and overall vitality. Glutathione is actually a very fragile molecule. When it's taken in a traditional capsule, much of it can be broken down during digestion before it ever reaches your bloodstream. Liposomal delivery surrounds the nutrient with phospholipids, which are similar to the membranes that make up all your cells. This protective layer helps the glutathione survive digestion and improves its absorption. At Cymbiotika, we focus heavily on delivery systems because absorption determines whether a supplement actually works.